Today, we're going to make a beat, mix the beat, record the lyrics, make cover art, and we're going to release it today. Let's get into it. All right. Yeah, let's go to Splice. I'm going to go with that. Bump this BPM up. I'm like a 98 BPM type of dude. That sounds crazy. Put my fab filter on. Yeah. I'll make it faster too. Let's try like 162. Take this. It sounds reverse, so I'm actually coming here. Alright, yeah. Reverse it. Down, flipping and reverse shit. I'm gonna bring this to the top. Now I'm gonna pick up my hi-hat. That was horrible timing, bro. Thank goodness for quantize. Yo, I swear my timing is usually better than this. Should I do kick or should I do 808? Let's do 808. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, Jesus. All right, we want to go down an octave. Had a kick. Yeah. I don't want all of this happening. My time was really off today for some reason. But all right, what we doing next? Does that feel like a hook or does that feel like a verse? It definitely feels more like a hook. It don't feel like a verse. It's getting hot in here. Hold on, let me turn the heat up. I ain't trying to cook. I mean, I'm trying to cook, but like, I don't want my body to cook. All right, let's do automation. I like adding vocals to my beats because it makes it sound more human. I haven't closed my eyes in days. I've got the feeling. So real offender. Na 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 na. All right, so we're gonna rock with that one. I like that. Na 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 na. I'm gonna pitch it up. Let me turn this to complex. Pitch it up. See how it sounds. Pitch it down. See how that sounds. Actually, I'm gonna put this little plugin on here. I'm gonna take one of these Nas. I'm gonna just freeze this and then I'm gonna make it audio. I'm gonna add me some keys real quick, you know what I mean? I know, crazy. He's a top-notch producer. Let me try this. I think it'd be cool. This one right here just went up an octave. Yeah. Yeah. Bada bang, bada boom. We got a beat. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this ozone on here. Yeah. Cool. Next step, make some lyrics. Yeah. All right, so off camera, I did like some little tweaks, a little bit more mixing stuff. See, I'm not sure if people care about the mixing part. If that's something that you wanted to see, let me know in the comments, just so you guys get familiar with my process. I record and I mix in Pro Tools. Let me guess how many tracks I'm gonna use. I'm gonna just set up 10. All right, so I'm gonna use some auto-tune. The plugins, download all the plugins. Okay. I'm gonna add some reverb too, cause no, I'm busy right now. Yeah, I gotta know, I know. Let's see, about you. I know about you. Hey, it's cool. Yeah. Future Chill Smith here. So you guys know, the final vocal recording was recorded on this mic, on the AKG C4 14XL2. Everything was recorded in the same day. Trust me, this is the day I'm editing the video. I'm gonna act like a couple hours didn't pass. Well, as you can see, I recorded my vocals and I switched back to the Rode PodMic. Only thing that's on these vocals is auto-tune and this compressor and some reverb. So let's check it out. I don't know about you. Need 20 M's in my bank. Yeah. I am not trying to be famous. Nah. I don't know about you. No. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. No. The song shall be mixed in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Future Chill Smith here again. My apologies. I'm not gonna have the entire song play for this video, but if you would like to check it out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. SoundCloud if you want to check it out right now, but on Spotify it's gonna come out January 26th. I'm gonna leave a hyperlink in the description, and then I'm gonna switch it over to the actual link once it is available. So I appreciate y'all. We shall continue. Okay, that's done. Now we gotta set up the cover art. I'm using my cell phone to record the video, but I need to use my cell phone to take a picture. All right, YouTube edit magic. I did my cover art. Okay, we in the final stretch. Now it's time to upload the song to DistroKid. Moment of truth, baby. Lego. All right, one song. Yeah. Nope. Chill Smith for sure. Yes. Pick a release date. We're gonna release this in January this year, cause that's when this video is coming out. I choose a Friday. Calendar. It's looking like January 26th is gonna be the day. Pre-order? Yeah, sure, whatever. We put the records, you know what I'm saying, make it official. Sound Smith Records. Genre is hip hop. Yeah, boy. Song title, I don't know. No features. Take the song. Yes, I did all that, yes. Songwriter real name. If y'all want to learn my real name, you're going to have to go to the credits. I'm going to edit this part out of the video. I like how by default it says explicit lyrics. All right, 100. And ladies and gentlemen, you see that right there? It says done. We did the thing. The time is, I want to say it's around 6 o'clock. My neck hurts. My back hurts a little bit. I had like 3 cookies and some pretzel snack things. So yeah, I'm about to call it a day. Listen, Future Chillsmith here again for the third but final time. If you guys made it this far in the video, oh my god, salute. And we on our way to 1K subs. I'd appreciate if you guys be a part of that. And Happy New Year. Till the next time I do a song in the whole day, I'll see you.